Hey guys, I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. I'm here at our newest listing at 84 Camden Avenue, which is centrally located in Camdenton, walking distance to schools, restaurants, and much more. Inside, there's many unique features that make this home stand apart. Come on in, let's go check it out. So this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has many custom features inside, including the backsplash in the kitchen, a custom-built island, custom-built pantry doors, and a bathroom that I think you'll love. For more information or to schedule a showing, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great day.